Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce some of the newest products on my right hand. This is the lockers, and you can put any your employee rooms or your office rooms if you need a locker like this. Yeah, let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's width, about like 35.5 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like 15 and 3/4 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like 76 and 3/4 inches tall. As we can see, the units come with the 3 sections on each of the layers, and total they are about like 5 layers, so total about like 15 lockers on this unit. And for each of the space, it is about like 14.5 inches deep and almost like 11 inches wide. And this access clearance height is about like 13 inches tall. Also, for each of the individual doors, they come in with a locker space. You can just put the locks on it, and also have a handles. And the unit is made by stylish steels. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.